Hi kids, today we are going to learn about time and we will tell the time approximately. Means we are going to use these terms just before and just after. Let's have some exercises. This is exercise 1. Look at clock A. It is almost 7 o'clock. After 1 minute it would be 7 o'clock. How you will write down about it? It is just before 7 o'clock, or in digital you can say it is 6:59. Now see clock B, it is after 3:30, so you can say it is just after 3:30. Now look at clock C, it is just after 8:15. Now see here clock D, it is just before 11:45. Now the last one, it is 3:45. It is just after 3:45. Check your answers by yourself. This is second exercise of this page. Time in digital way is given. You have to tell the time by using just before and just after. Look at part A, it is 6:16. You need to tell this time in this way. You have to use just before, just after. Okay, you know very well 6:15 comes after 6:15, which is 6:15. So you can say 6:16 just after 6:15. Now look at part B, 11:32. You know 11:30 is 11:30. So you can say just after 11:30. Now look at part C. It is 8:29. After 1 minute it would be 8:30. So you can say it is just before 8:30. Now part D, it is just before 5 o'clock. Part E, you can see it is after 10 o'clock, only 1 minute after 10 o'clock. So you can say it is just after 10 o'clock. Now the last part, 1:47. Yes, you can say it is just before 2 o'clock. Now we will do one more exercise of it. See here, time is given in just before and just after ways. You have to tell the time in digital way. Look at part A, just before 6:30. You can tell the time before 1 minute or 2 minutes of it. How you will write down? 6:29. It is 1 minute before of it. Okay, just before 6:30. Part B, 3:16. Just after 3:15. Now part C, just before 5 o'clock. So you can tell it before 1 or 2 minutes. I have written here 4:58, or you can also write down here 4:59. That's also correct. Part D, 9:46. It is just after quarter to 10. Quarter to 10, you know, that is 9:45. Okay, but we have to tell just after, so you can tell after 1 minute or tell 2 minutes. Okay, I have written after 1 minute. Now part E, just before quarter to 7. Similarly you will do, it is 6:43, or you can write down 6:44 as well. Last part, 2:13. Why? Because it is given just before quarter past 2. What is quarter past 2? That is 2:15. So we can write down 2:14 or 2:13. Both are correct. Check your answers. Now see next exercise. Here analog clocks are given and you have to tell the time using just before and just after. See clock A, after 6:20, after one step of 6:20 it is 6:21. Okay, example is given. You have to tell the time after whatever minutes are there. You have to use these minutes now. See first clock, it is 6:21. How you will write down? By using just before and just after 6:21, or you can say just after 20 minutes past 6. Now look at here clock B, it is 10:19. You can see easily it is 1 minute before 20, so it is 10:19. How you will use just before and just after for this clock? 10:19 or just before 20 past 10. Okay, 20 is missing here. 20 past 10. Now see here clock C, it is 4:09. You can say just before 10 past 4. Now we will see the next exercise. Now time in digital way is given. What you have to tell, you have to use just before and just after for these times. Okay, 5:34. See the example. In example it is given how many minutes are left for the next clock. You have to tell that before using just before and just after. Now see part A, it is 5:34. Again I would like to tell you, you will use these terms just before and just after. After these terms you have to tell the time in proper way. How many minutes are left for this clock A for the next clock? You know, 5:34 after 26 minutes it would be 6 o'clock. So how you will write down it? 5:34 or just before 25 to 6. Okay, after 26 minutes it would be 6 o'clock. Okay, now see part B. Look at part B in this 1:49. Okay, these times, you know, times are given one with the difference of 1 and 2 minutes. You have to tell just before or just after. In clock B it is 1:49. After 1 minute it would be 1:50, or you can say 10 minutes to 2. How you will write down it? 1:49 or just before 10 to 2 as I told you. Now C part. 8:41. How you will write down it? 8:41. If you will subtract 1 minute from it, it would be 8:40 and 20 minutes to 9. After 20 minutes, it would be 9 o'clock. So how you will write down a time for it? 8:41. Just after 20 to 9. Okay, 20 to 9 after 1 minute of 20 to 9. So you will write down just after 20 to 9. Now check your answers.